We are back. I'm here with the ladies of Island Star. We're live. We're taking all of your questions. And we just want to give a shout out to Keskia Club at PBCC. And we also want to shout out the Miss Haiti pageant. The Miss Haiti pageant is happening at USF, where Kathy will be taking her exam, and we wish her all the luck. But let's get back to the ladies. They have a question for you guys. They want to know, let's start with you, Ebony. Let's just say you do win Island Star, and you are the next Island Star, the first Island Star. Which one of these women would you like to work with? Who would you collaborate with, and why?
Do I have to choose one?
Okay, you can choose all three, you know, all five of them. But, you know, just tell us why.
I mean, I can't choose one specific person, but I think all of us should do a song together.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That would be
That'd be a
nice.
great idea.
Mm-hmm.
But I couldn't, because there's no favoritism here with me.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I like all of them equally.
Right.
But I don't, that's a hard question, I have to be honest.
I know they're asking hard questions, but we got to give them what they want, right? We got to give them a response, and of course, according to your personality. So that's an acceptable answer. Island Star, you guys should make a song, because after all, there were a lot of people who auditioned who are not sitting in these seats right now.
Yeah.
So that means that you guys could probably work together. Christina?
That was a toughie. I mean, if I had to pick one person, I can't really, I don't know. I mean, there's different reasons why I would pick different people. Like, I think if I wanted to do like a hot, like upbeat song, I think me and Magda would work it out and do something really fun with a lot of dance moves. And if I wanted to do something that was really romantic and a nice, like, you know, maybe even a little gospel touch to it, I think me and Rose could do that. And something young and upbeat for the younger crowd, me and Veronique would do that. And then something like Lauryn Hill style, you know, some
Lauryn
Caribbean flavor. Me and Ebony would do that. And then for Kathy, Kathy, she's special. I think we would have to do something just like really fun and upbeat. And I mean, there's a different style for all of us. So I think we could each do something special and just make it our own. I mean, with each of the girls, I could work it.
Use your contacts. Nothing happens by mistake.
Exactly.
And I'm hearing that. Magdala, who would you work with and why?
Christina, she got that flow, like from the dancing to the, you know, the hypeness.
You
I
guys
like
are our
that
dancing
energy.
hype sisters. Dancing hype sisters. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Rose, who would you collaborate with and why?
I don't think there's anyone I could single out because everyone's voice is different and unique. So it all depends on the song. Because you could take one song and just blend everyone's voices together and make it a hit. So.
Right. Veronique?
I agree.
Well, I would work with everybody actually, because it don't really matter who I work with or who I don't work with. So I would take everybody and work with them actually. But if I were the person, if I had to pick one, I would pick Rose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why?
Because she's, I don't know, I find it more like I can do her better. Like I can do her better.
Okay.
Like, yeah, it's, I don't know. I just find like having the same style.
Yeah, like I'm saying it right.
I'm trying to say it right. Because it was not right.
do her better. I do her better.
No. Like their personality and stuff like that. I find I can get closer with her like that.
Okay. We
Yeah.
have a lot of collaborations. But I know that's not going to be the same thing outside of this competition. So if you had to collaborate with someone outside of this competition, who would it be and why? Veronique, since you started off, I mean, you ended. Let's go ahead and have you answer that. Who would it be?
Outside this competition?
Yeah, someone who's already established. Someone who already...
I would try to go with Alicia Keys.
Okay.
I enjoy Alicia Keys.
Alicia Keys, who would you do with Rose?
Celine Dion first.
How did we know it would be Celine Dion?
That lady makes me cry.
Ah,
For real.
okay. All right. Magdala?
Brandy.
Brandy?
I would
Miss
definitely have to
Christina?
do a collabo with Alicia Keys. That's my girl. And also Chrisette Michelle. She's an artist that a lot of people haven't really heard of, but she makes beautiful music. And I really love her work, so I would have to work with her too. And on the male aspect, I think I would have to work with, that's a good question. Oh, Raheem Devon. I like him.
Okay, so you're putting us up on all of these new artists.
Yeah.
Raheem, okay. And Ebony?
With me, I would have to. I'm old school, really. Like my voice is like kind of like soul, but it's kind of angelic too because I can switch my voice up. With that, I love Lauryn Hill. I would, if she was still doing her thing. I don't know what she's doing now, but I would love to do something with her. And I wish Aaliyah was still here because that was definitely my role model. I thought she had a positive image to the world, and I feel like me and Aaliyah our voice is similar because I kind of have like a soft voice. So those are 2 people.
Okay, that's awesome. You guys, they want to know, what do you do to help the community? What do you do? What do you do to help the community?
Well,
anyone can take that. You all don't, just one person. Anyone can just take that because, we're going to go to break soon. So who wants to take that question?
I can take it.
Go ahead.
Well, it's, I can say that because right now I work in a school. I work at a school where they send like kids that get suspended. And so I'm really the secretary, so I go outside of my job. And when these kids come in, I tell them, it's not worth it. You can't get suspended. You have to make sure you get your diploma. It's not easy. You have to have a future for yourself, and you need to make your money because it's all about money. But yeah, I speak to them when they come in. Whenever I get a chance, I talk to them and tell them, stay out of trouble. So I think that's like, helping the community, the young people,
Definitely.
because they're our future.
That's a definite ministry right there. Wherever you are, you're being able to say a positive word. And on that positive note, we're going to go to